Hello everyone, I'm Dr Kaushik Reddy, consultant orthopedic surgeon, arthroscopy and sports medicine specialist at Apollo Hospitals, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Today we have Mr Jagrit Chelan. He is 19 years old. He is studying his BBA in Hyderabad. He is from Orissa. So he sustained an injury to his right knee while playing badminton, and he had come to me. I had diagnosed him to have a complete ACL tear and also a lateral meniscus tear in the knee joint, for which I suggested surgery for him. He underwent arthroscopic all inside ACL reconstruction using fibre tape internal brace technique, which is a very advanced ACL reconstruction surgery where we don't make full tunnels in the bone. We make only half tunnels so that the graft is very thick and it's very strong, and failure rate is very less. And he also had a lateral meniscus tear, for which I had done a lateral meniscus repair. It is 6 weeks now. He is doing very good. His recovery is very good and he is very happy about his recovery. So he will tell about his experience about the surgery and Apollo Hospitals. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jagrit Chelan. I am from Orissa. I had my ACL while playing badminton, so I came to Sir by my sister. I got my surgery done at 21st October. But after surgery, I had many pains, but after 2-3 weeks, I can handle it, and there is no pain. And at Apollo Hospital, their service is very well, and you can come to Dr Kaushik Reddy for his for ACL tear and any of these knee or leg operations or consultancy. Thank you, Dr Kaushik Reddy, sir, and thank you to Apollo Hospital.
Thank you.